Yeah, listen carefully, everyone. Today, we are going to learn how to write decimal number in the words. Okay, listen carefully, everyone. There are two methods are there. There are two ways are there to represent the decimal number in the words. Listen carefully, everyone. Don't write anything. There are two ways to represent decimal number in the words. Firstly, in previous class already I have explained which place, how to check which place which decimal number is there. Again, I am explaining here. Firstly, I want to count before decimal. This is which place? 9 is present, 1's place, 7 is present, 10's place, and 6 is present which place? 6 is present which place? 9, 7, 6. Don't write, student, listen carefully. Yes. Yes. Now listen carefully, students here. Yeah. Firstly, I want to check 6 is present on which place? Once, tens which place? 100 place. 1 is present with place, 6 is present with place, 100 place. Next, 7 is present, tens place. 9 is present, ones place. Now listen carefully here. Yeah, listen carefully, everyone. Now 6 is present in which place? Tens place. TENTHS. 7th is present which place? 100th place. Hundreds and hundredth both are different. 7 is present which place? 100th place. Don't write. Next, 8 is present which place? Thousandth place. Students, observe here. This is 100 and this is 100th. Both are different. 100 means before decimal point. 100th means after decimal point. 100th means after decimal point. Very clear picture I have given students here. 679.678. Now this digit, how to write in the words? Listen carefully. How to write this digit in the words? There are two ways are there to represent this decimal number in the words. What is the first way? First way I can write here 679. Don't write 679. Listen, 679.678 and 8. 678. This is first way. Listen carefully, everyone. This is first way. Next, what is second way? Listen carefully, student. What is second way? Before decimal, if digit is greater than 1, then decimal point we can say AND. Before decimal digit is greater than 1, then decimal point I will say as 1, as AND. I can write second way 679, because before decimal is greater than 100 we can say 679 and 679, and after decimal I want to check, I want to count the, I want to read the number after decimal. After decimal is ones, tens, 100. 100 is there. Means 6, 7, 8. 6 is present 10th place, 7 is present 100th place, and 8 is present 1000th place. Then I can say here 678, 678 thousandth, 678. I will write normal whatever digit we are writing after decimal point 678, and at the last we can add the place value of the last digit. Place value of the last digit is thousands. So we can write 678 thousandths. DTHS. This is second way. 679. In the place of dot I have written AND. Why I have written AND? Because before decimal digit is greater than 1. If before decimal digit is less than 1, then I want to write point only. But before decimal digit is greater than 1, then I want to mention AND symbol. 679 AND. Now after decimal, how to read? After decimal, firstly we want to read the number. Now after decimal point, I am reading the number 678. After reading the number, we can add the place value of the last digit. Place value of the last digit is what? Thousands. Then we can say 679 and 678. 8 is present with place, thousandth place. Now last we have added thousandth. Understood everyone? Understood everyone? Yeah, this is second way. What is third way? One more way is there. Listen carefully everyone. What is third way? Third way, directly I can write simply 679 679 After that, I can write comma. 6 is present which place? 10th place, where I can write 6 tens, comma. 7 is present on which place? 100th place. 7 100th, comma. 8 is present on which place? Thousandth place. There are three ways are there to write the decimal number in the words. First way I have explained to you. Simply I can write 679.678. Second way before decimal I can write 679. In the place of dot I will write and. Why we are writing and? Because before decimal digit is greater than 1. Before decimal digit is greater than 1, then in the place of decimal I want to write and. But before decimal digit is less than 1, then I will write point. After decimal, how to write again? Again, after decimal, firstly we want to read the number 678 after decimal point. After reading the number, we want to add the place value of the last digit. Last digit, what is the place value of last digit? After in right side, thousands. We can say 679 and 678 thousandths. This is thousandths. This second case, second way. Third way is what? 679 comma 6 is present which place? 10th place, 10th place, and 7 is present 100th place, and 8 is present 1000th place. I hope students you got it. How we are writing the decimal number in the words. Got it, everyone? Copy this first. On the top, note down. Write decimal number in. Write decimal number in words. Write decimal number in words. Just now I have explained there are three ways are there to write the decimal number in the words. First way, simply I can write 679.678. Second way, 679 before decimal digit is greater than 1, then I want to write in the place of decimal and. Okay, after decimal how to write? After decimal, firstly we want to read the number 678. After reading the number, we want to add the place value of the last digit. 678, last place value of last digit is thousandths place. Now 678 thousandths. Now third way, 679 comma 6 is present in 10th place, 7 is present in 100th place, and 8 is present in thousandths place. Note down, everyone. Note down concept, everyone here. This concept is very important concept. Note down concept. Read the numbers, comma, and read the number, add the place value read the number, comma, add the place value of the last digit. place value of last digit. The second, whatever second way is there, I have given concept also. Read the number at the place value of last digit. Example to note down, everyone. Write decimal number in words. Write decimal number in words. A question. Write decimal number in words. Note down example second. Write the decimal number in words. Write decimal number in words. Note down question, everyone. A question. 24.98. 24.98. Now 24.98, how to write in the words? Listen carefully, everyone. Before decimal is what? 24. Note down. 24. Now point before decimal digit is greater than 1 or less than 1? Greater than 1. We can write and. After decimal point, we want to read the number 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y 98. After that, I want to check last digit is present on which place? 100th place. We will mention on the last 100th. HUNDREDTHS. After decimal, we want to read the number 98. After that, I want to check last digit is present in which number, which place. What is the place value of last digit? Place value of last digit is 100th. 98 100th. B question. 2.526. 2.526. How to write, students? 2.526. Now last digit is present on which place? Thousandth place. 2.2 and 526 thousandth. Note down. 2 and why and I am writing because before decimal digit is greater than 1. 2 and 526. 26. Now last digit is present on which place? Thousandth place. We'll write thousandth. Note down, everyone. Yeah, C question, note down. .32. How to write? 32 hundredth. 32 hundredth. Firstly, before decimal digit is 0. No need to mention anything. 32 hundredth. Next, 1.9 is equal to 1 and 9 is present in which place? 9 tenths. Hold on, everyone. Whatever doubt you have, you can raise your hand only. Next, example 3. Example 3. Write the decimal numbers in words. Write the decimal number in words. And this answer I will ask to some individual student. Note down first question. 423.054. Next, 0.627. C. Note down this question, everyone, fastly. 0.2219. 12.89. 12.89. Write, everyone, fastly. Write the decimal number in words. Note down question fastly, everyone. Write the decimal number in words. First question, 423.054, 0.627, 0.2219, 12.89,